John with Total Knee Coach, and I'm going to show you the variation of how to do a hamstring stretch, which I think is one of the most effective ways to straighten your knee all the way after total knee replacement surgery using the furniture pad slider. So I'm sitting on carpet. That's where this chair's at. This is going to be a good place for me to do this stretch because I'm just going to help lift my foot where my heel's in the middle of this furniture pad slider. I'm going to slide my heel out. It's going to slide and glide real nice and easy, and I'm going to get to this point where my knee is tight now. It's not straight all the way. This would be all the way straight. My knee is going to stop right here. I'm going to pull my toes up, take my hands on the sides of my thigh, not pressing on the incision, and lean into that stretch a little bit and try to push my knee into straight. It should not be real painful in the front of the knee. You should be feeling a stretch in the back of the leg, a little bit in the calf, a lot in the hamstring and in the back of the knee. You're going to try to hold that stretch for a few breaths. Make sure you keep breathing as you go. Relax it back out. Working this stretch into your daily exercise routine is going to be one of the best ways to get your knee all the way straight.